真正嘅朋友 true friends。有時候發生咗一啲事情，你先至知道邊一個係你嘅真正朋友。Sometimes you only know who your true friends are after certain things happen。如果你睇清楚一個人嘅真面目，你失去咗呢一個所謂嘅朋友，其實唔係你嘅損失，而係你嘅得着。If you see someone's true colors and lose this so-called friends, it's not your loss, it's your gain。人大咗，你唔需要有100個朋友，只要有幾個知心友，彼此信任支持，就已經好足夠。As you grow older, you don't need 100 friends. A few close friends who trust and support each other are more than enough。廣東話話3、5知己，知己朋友唔需要多㗎。Cantonese people say 3 to 5 close friends. You don't need many true friends。如果你揾唔到知己，你就嘗試成為別人嘅知己。當你先行出一步，我相信總會有人會回應你嘅。If you can't find a true friend, then try becoming one for others. When you take the first step, I believe someone will eventually respond to you.